A big splash in language. Understanding idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, a big splash. Idioms are a key part of mastering any language, offering color and depth to everyday conversations. So, let's make a big splash together in learning English. A big splash is an idiom used to describe an action or event that attracts a lot of attention or is very impressive. It often refers to a grand entrance or a significant impact made by someone or something. For example, if a new product makes a big splash, it means it has become very popular or well-known quickly. This idiom likely originated from the literal act of something large hitting water, creating a large splash and drawing attention. Over time, it transformed into a metaphorical phrase. Understanding such origins helps in grasping the figurative meaning behind idioms. Let's look at some examples. 1. The new singer made a big splash in the music industry. 2. Her innovative ideas made a big splash at the conference. 3. The movie made a big splash at the box office. In these sentences, a big splash signifies having a significant, noticeable impact in various contexts. Other idioms with similar meanings include making waves, causing a significant impact or change, stealing the show, gaining more attention than others in a particular situation. Understanding these can enrich your idiom vocabulary and enhance your conversational skills. Congratulations on learning about the idiom, a big splash. Remember, idioms are more than just words. They're windows into a culture and its language. Keep exploring, and soon you'll be making your own big splash in English. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Happy learning!